This is what I love and can't stop loving, traveling the world. I live for the creativity, looking down from the skies, feeling free. Spending all my money on plane tickets and extreme destinations, but in the end is all worth it. Getting up at sunrise looking for my next location whilst the world is sleeping. As the sun rises above the horizon, the atmosphere changing by the second, setting up my drone and camera, I ask myself, why do I love doing this? Why does it pump my adrenaline so much? Then it suddenly comes apparent, with the sky changing color, the terrain coming to life, the wildlife awake. I know this is what I love doing and can't stop loving. I love to travel. I love to create.